Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to Dio in Monkey app, right? So first of all, make sure that you install it from Play Store and you can also update it. So let's go to the search bar here, and here you have to type Monkey, right? Monkey app. You can just search for it and you will get it here. Now this is it, and this is just a random video chat call, right? So once it get installed, once it get download, you can use your email address or something to get login into your account. I'm sure that you have already logged in my case I will just do it instantly. It's take a little bit of seconds here. Make sure you allow all these permissions here, right? So I will just go and click on allow here, right? And once everything is allowed, you can just go and click on. But now if you want to go to a Dio, right, here you can see this option, right? This is a both, and this is here about there's a Dio mode. So if you just click on Dio mode here, this is my account and this is for someone with whom you want to go. So you have to share a link. For example, I will copy this link. I can share it to that friend into WhatsApp or something, and if that person click on it, for example, I will just add, right, and I will paste the link which I have copied, right? So I will just go here, I will paste the link, right? Just imagine that I am his friend and I will paste the link and I will come up here. Now that person will download this Monkey app, and once you download, he or she can join with me and we both a Dio. We can just go and have fun in this app. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.